So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again with an upload, not live. I'm tired, I'm drained, I'm worn out. But we are back again. Make sure you are smashing the like button. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel. 101 subs away from 98k. The road to 100 is in the offing. Will the league title be in the offing? I don't know. Who knows? Listen, it's going to go down to the last day of the season by the looks of it. And Man City don't look like they're dropping points anytime soon, which is kind of sad. However, we only have ourselves to blame if we don't win it. And we're going to get into that. But make sure you are smacking the likes up. Leave your comments or super chats down below. I will be back again with Saeed midday UK time. I'm going to be back again on here for the podcast with Kenny, Jez and Matty. 5 p.m. UK time tomorrow, Monday. And then I'll be doing the Crystal Palace Man United watch along. I will then be back live again straight after that on here. So plenty of content to come. Tuesday, obviously, we have the show with Rants, Champions League as well. So yeah, plenty of content this week. And we're going down to the wire. Obviously, Arsenal got the job done. It wasn't the prettiest game in the world. However, we did get the job done. Man City, I did tell everyone in my watch along, don't count on Wolves. They're getting slapped. And Erling Haaland obviously downloaded the new chip. They reprogrammed him, and all of a sudden goes and scores 4. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Obviously, today we've seen Liverpool and top Spurs. The best of the rest, really. Aston Villa lost. But listen, this title race is going down to the wire. And it's fine margins. And that's what it is. It's literally fine margins. However, we've only got ourselves to blame if we don't win the title. We've got 1 point out of 6 against Aston Villa and Fulham this season. Not good enough. That dead West Ham team that I watched get spanked today by Chelsea, we lost 2-0 at home to them. How? You know, Man City haven't lost a game in the Premier League since 6th of December. As I'm recording this, it's 10 p.m. Spanish time on the 5th of May. They lost a game for 6 months in the Premier League. But they've got worse and we've bridged the gap. Good one. Go and get me a manager who can actually get over the line if this guy can't. There's a manager at Real Madrid yesterday who lifted a trophy. But what did he do at Everton, guys? And I just want to say this as well, right? Because I see a lot of people saying, but who can we get that can do better than Super Mikel Arteta? Like, this guy's good at anything. He's not won anything for 4 years. He's got us to a level. Well done to him. He's got us back to the level that was deemed not good enough under Wenger. Fair play. Well done. Yeah, the points tally's higher. Cool. It's all relative. Yeah, that tells me the quality of the league has got worse. Because if teams are getting like 90 points plus or 89, 90 points every season and winning titles on 89 plus, tells me the quality of the rest of the league's pretty dead. Whereas back in the day, maybe the league was a lot better. Just saying. However, there's a manager in Inter Milan that has got a proven track record at Lazio and a proven track record at Inter Milan. Go and get him. But what if we go backwards? I don't understand this obsession and fetish with what if we go backwards? Who could do better? Bro, this guy's not won anything for 4 years. Hopefully, fingers crossed, he wins the league. If he does, this background will be changed with the latest 4 or 5 top players that we have background. That will be done. I had this one lined up for last season. Yeah, however, this lot bottled it. But I had this one for last season. But they bottled it. It is what it is. But let's hope we get over the line this season. If we don't, then get rid. Yeah, this could be our Ranieri. Gets us to a certain level. Go and get the Jose. He could be our Brendan Rodgers. Go and get our Klopp. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's plenty of managers out there that we could get that could potentially do better. And if they don't, cool, sack them as well. Yeah, the aim of the game is to win trophies, not to have a good day on match day. Oh, yeah, look at me, I'm having a jolly up. Oh, my match day feels better. It's not about that. It's about winning trophies. Yeah, and I'm never going to change. Yeah, you lot can cry. Most of you in my comment section don't. Yeah, however, on other platforms, they're all crying. TikTok and Twitter full of mutants. You're so toxic. Always moaning. Oh, you'd cry if we won the treble. We'll do it, and we'll see, innit? Because let me tell you right now, if Arsenal do win the league, my bank balance is £2,000 lighter because I'll be donating that to Great Ormond Street Hospital. How many of you are going to donate that if we don't win the league? Because you give it all of that all season. Yeah, how many of you are doing that? Yeah, I accepted a bet. I'll stand by the bet. And if I lose the bet and Arsenal win the league, first and foremost, I'll be over the moon. Be a weight off the shoulders after a decade on social media, giving it all of that about the club. And I can actually start enjoying it again. Yeah, because the standards are on the floor. Yeah. Secondly, my bank balance will be £2,000 light. And it'll help people out. So anyone who wants to run their mouth, run your mouth, Io Di Puta, as much as you want. Fact and reality is, if he doesn't win the league, it is 4 years without winning a trophy. 4. Name me another big club in world football, yeah, that claims to be a big club with a great manager, you know, with a great squad, trying to shoehorn in all of their big fan base and all of that, that goes 4 years without winning anything and it's acceptable. You know, we've seen clubs like AC Milan, they won a title with their manager. They sacked him second the other day after losing the title to Inter. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Real Madrid do it all the time. Bayern Munich are potting their manager. What phase is Xavi Alonso in? And all of these people that want to sit there and go, who could do better? Well, that ain't down to me to decide. However, after watching football for 36 years, yeah, if this guy don't get over the line, get rid of him. Now the board have to go and decide that. I can have my personal choice, but as soon as I give my personal choice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, instantly dismissed. So let's hope this geezer stays fit and healthy and or doesn't decide to leave the football club, because if he does, we might as well pack up shop because nobody can do better than Mikel Arteta. It's embarrassing. Raise the standards. Listen, we've had a good season. It could be a great season. However, if it ain't the title, then it's perennial failure for 4 years straight. Get rid of him. Yeah, and if they don't, I'm straight on the Cronkies. No Diddy, no Drake, pause. Yeah, not doing any of that. But we'll be on the Cronkies, because then it's like, what do you actually want to achieve at this football club? Because we're back to a certain level. Everyone's just down tools now, oh, because of Pep. But they got rid of Mahrez, Laporte, Cancelo, Gundogan, Cole Palmer. 5 players that are first team players, pretty much, apart from Cole Palmer, who was in and out, but the rest of them, first team players. And we still can't go over the line. So fingers crossed we do get over the line. However, they are paid employees. Everyone is dispensable. You know, all of a sudden, everyone wants Zinchenko out the club, Jesus out. Oh, we need a striker. Oh, hello. I've been saying this for 2 years. Yeah, I've said he won't score 20 goals. I've said that left back's dead. Like, what are we doing here? Everyone's always late to the party, and when it's fashionable, they turn up. And I'm sick and tired of it. Say it as it is. And people go, you just want to be negative for negative's sake. Listen, Io Di Puta, I would get more views if I was part of trusting the process and the get-along game. However, I say it as it is. I don't just go with the flow. I go with what I think, not what I think people will like to hear. You've got all these channels out there bending over and twerking. Yeah. Oh, Arsenal are world class. Arsenal are scary. Arsenal are unstoppable. Arsenal are not world class. Otherwise, we'd still be in the Champions League, Io Di Puta. Yeah. What are we doing here? Arsenal are scary. They're not, are they? Because West Ham weren't scared. Aston Villa weren't scared. Fulham weren't scared. Newcastle weren't scared. Chelsea weren't scared at the bridge. Bayern Munich weren't scared. We can go on here. Like, what are we doing here? But it'll get you a load of views. Anyone who wants to set a channel up, real talk, I'll tell you right now, set a YouTube channel up and just suck off Arsenal. Because Arsenal fans on social media, not all of them, but a large percentage of them, are the most fragile beings that roam the earth. They need constant validation and gratification. Anyone who goes against that, Jason Cundy, Jamie O'Hara, Jamie Carragher, Gary Neville, Simon Jordan, Roy Keane, myself, Rance, anyone else, that all go and say, oh, actually, it's this, this, and this, with objectivity, yeah, and back our thought process. You're toxic, you're negative, you're doing it for clicks. No, these people support rivals at my football club, and they're like they're shaking their bum at carnival. Imagine if I was sitting here saying Spurs are scary, unstoppable, dangerous, and scintillating. What are we doing here? Imagine if I was a Man United fan doing the same. What are we doing here? We're not supposed to like each other. Yeah? We're not supposed to like each other, and I'm sick to death of it because every day I open up YouTube, another fucking idiot turns up telling me my club's world class. Shut up. Support your own club and leave mine alone. You've got Chelsea fans out here doing, oh, Arsenal are scintillating and go 4 points clear. No, we're not. We're 1 point clear. Yeah? We're 1 point clear. And they have a game in hand. Like, just slow down. Yeah? Where's this? These people have different standards for their own clubs than they do for my club. Yet they want to be the voice of my club. Support your own club, Il Deputa, yeah, and leave mine alone. Yeah, because I will call all these people out. I swear down, I'm sick to death of them. Yeah, every time I open YouTube, oh, Arsenal are world class. No, they're not. Bayern Munich beat them. Porto beats them. Lens beats them. Aston Villa, Fulham, West Ham beats them. Newcastle beat them. They're not world class. A world class team is a team that have gone 6 months in the league without losing a football match. So we're not world class, are we? We're very good, but the world class team up in Mane, the blue side of Mane, yeah, that's a world class team. That's a world class team. It's what it is. And people go, oh, you're always negative. Don't watch it. There's plenty of channels out there that are bowed down, whether they're Arsenal, Chelsea, Spurs, United, Liverpool, or any other football club. They will bow down, bend over, and tell you comforting lies about this football club. If you want comforting lies, this ain't the channel for you, because I give you straight facts as it is. And I will never stop doing it. Yeah. And ain't nobody going to stop me doing and saying what I want to say. Yeah. Hopefully we win the title. If we don't, sack him and go and get me Inzaghi. Go and get me another manager. And if he can't win me it, get another manager. Keep going until you find one. But we might go backwards. Well, what's the difference between 8th and 2nd? You're still lost. But you get Champions League football, guys. What, so by world-class players? Where's the world-class players then? What, you just mean you get a better match day experience because you see a couple of better players from different clubs around Europe come to the club rather than some dead teams in fucking Conference or Europa League. You see a couple of Mbappe's or Kane's and what? Get out of here, man. Yeah, the aim of the game is to win major honours. Yeah, win me a major honour this season, Io de Puta, or you can get out. Ateta fuera para siempre, yeah, Io de Puta. Yeah, calm down. Yeah, and let me tell you right now. Yeah, nobody can tell me about my football club. The only people I will listen to on this app or any other app about this football club are Kenny, Ken, and Jez. Yeah, so anyone posing, yeah, as a super fan or anyone posing as a, oh, let me farm views by sucking off Arsenal every week, and tell me shit about my football club. Do you understand? Yeah, because trust me, that close to exploding. Pause, no diddy. Yeah, stop telling me my club is what it ain't. Yeah, stop telling me it is what it ain't. Yeah, because I got eyes, 4 of the fuckers. And since I've had these goggles, yes, we've been very good. However, yeah, if we don't win nothing, I want to see the same energy. I want to see the same. Arsenal bottled it. Arsenal collapse. But no, because there's more Arsenal fans online that are fragile beings, they always need gratification and validation. Oh, Arsenal fell short to the best manager in the world. Where was all of these people's reviews after a 5-1 Man City mauling against Wolves yesterday? Why ain't Man City being dubbed as world-class, scary, scintillating, and wow, unstoppable, unbeaten in 6 months, 43 games unbeaten at the Etihad? Oh yeah, don't get you any views, does it, lads? Stop taking the piss, yeah? Don't tell me about my fucking football club, do you understand? Yeah, I'm sick to death of these pricks. Yeah, and trust me, I will call these lot out, yeah? Every day I open YouTube app, there's another Io de Puta telling me my club's world class and it's scary and it's dangerous. Shut up. Stick to your own football clubs. Leave mine alone. Yeah? And on that bombshell, we're wrapping this up. 6 of the best incoming. And you know I don't care. I will call these people out and I will say their names. Yeah? So if I was you, and I know you're all watching it, yeah, because you watch everything I do, because you're all shook. Yeah? Let me tell you right now. Stop mentioning my football club in terms that it ain't. Otherwise, I will fucking name and shame every single one of you. My club is not world-class, scary, scintillating, dangerous, and unstoppable, is it? If we win the league, cool. Be the first to hold my hands up. I'll give myself 6 of the best. However, you lot are farming views by sucking off my football club that's gone 20 years without a title, 30 years without a European trophy, 31 without a League Cup, and 4 without an FA Cup and 4 in totality. Stop chatting pucaria, mierda, ilipoya, gran ilipoya, coño. I swear down, I'm sick to death of you fuckers, man. Sick to death of you. So any of you that want to carry on, carry on. End of the season, we will be there, guys, and I'll name and shame every single one of you. And on that bombshell, hopefully we win the league. Hopefully Man City drop points. Highly unlikely. Are they world-class, scary, dangerous, scintillating, unstoppable, fucking amazing champions-elect? Get out of here, man. Yeah. Have the same for your own football clubs. Oh, you can't because you don't get no views on that, innit? Adios, amigos. Leave a like, leave a share, leave a sub. Bosh. And I'll be back for midday live. Io de puta.